Windows 101 – How to install a replacement vinyl window in a wood window opening. Once the window opening has been prepared for the replacement window, you will be ready to begin installation. Dry fit the replacement window into the opening and check the height of the sill angle. This is done by placing the sill angle on the exterior sill between the window sill and the bottom of the replacement window. Adjust the height if necessary by cutting the sill angle along the score lines. Once the height of the sill angle has been determined, remove the replacement window from the opening. Apply a bead of sealant along the edge of the sill angle where it contacts the existing window sill. Leave 2 voids in the sealant to allow water to escape. The void should measure between 1/4 and 1/2 inch long. Position the sill angle. Next, apply a generous bead of sealant to the exterior side of the interior stops and to the exterior of the stool. Insert the window through the opening and against the interior stops. It is extremely important that you correctly place the sill angle into the appropriate slot at the bottom of the window's exterior. Close the sash and lock. The window should remain closed and locked for the rest of the installation. Some windows may require a head expander at the top if a gap exists. Insert loose insulation between the window and the head expander to allow for expansion. Apply a continuous bead of sealant along the edges of the stops and casing as an internal line of defense against air infiltration. The sealant will also give the installation a clean appearance. We recommend using a paintable sealant. Open the sash to access the pre-punched installation holes. Secure the window by fastening screws through the installation holes. The pre-punched installation holes are behind the sash stops at the top and bottom of each side of the window. Manufacturer specifications may vary. Balance covers must be removed to access the screw holes at the top. Continue to fasten the window in place, making sure to attach it as instructed by the manufacturer. Allow for use of an adjusting square prior to permanent installation. Replace the exterior stops. Any stops in damaged or poor condition should be replaced before the installation continues. Check for square to determine if any adjustments must be made. Using a screwdriver, loosen or tighten the jamb adjusters as necessary. Check again for square. Tilt and remove both sashes and measure the window width at the bottom, middle, and top. Check the jamb adjusters again. Make adjustments as necessary. Measure the width at the bottom, middle, and top. Repeat this process until the window is properly installed and both sashes operate smoothly. Replace the balance covers and both sashes. Open and close the sashes to help determine a proper fit. Sashes should open, close, and lock smoothly. Remove excess sealant along the edge of the window for a nice, clean appearance. We hope this helps make your next window installation a little easier.